You've seen the kind of goons there in the assembly today. They are not even staff, they are not even MCS, and these are goons are also well known to you. But the amount of threats and the amount of violence and the amount of alcohol that has been spent in that assembly to maim, endanger, and kill some of the members who are here today, including our speaker, Enogo Tv. And these videos, we broadcast them everywhere. You've seen them in social media and in every platform. The MCS who are here today, 21 in number, we've written a letter to the NYAMIRA County Security Team because the NYAMIRA County Security Team has become partisan to these issues. There is no way the assembly premises is guarded by police officers, and in that assembly, alcohol, machetes, and pangas are ferried at night. The same security team was there when the security guard was injured on that day. They've never done any investigations. Number 3, we have CCTV in the assembly. About 3 months ago, the DCIO said that they had ordered to get the footage from the assembly. Up to now, there has been not any investigation to the violence. So we've asked the NYAMIRA County Security Team, we've signed and we've written a letter to them that if they are partisan, we write to the regional commissioner, we write even to the national security team, because there is no way that kind of violence, that kind of alcohol, the assembly has been turned into a brothel. The assembly has been turned into a bar. So as honorable MCS, and we are the majority, we are 21 of us, we've written and we've complained to the NYAMIRA security team. What we want them to do, number 1, is to arrest the goons and the people seen perpetrating violence, including our fellow MCS and members of staff who closed NYAMIRA County executive offices, and they are well known. If the security team is not protecting, we ask them to take stern action against all those people. Actually, yesterday, when you conducted the meeting, they closed the gates to us. And I remember there were some journalists who were there, and you are a journalist. You've seen the kind of goons there in the assembly today. They are not even staff, they are not even MCS, and these are goons are also well known to you. So some of our members went to the assembly today. But the kind of atmosphere which was there, number 1, the kind of atmosphere which was there in perpetrating violence, people have been bought alcohol the entire night. They started ferrying people at 5 in the morning. You know, all these owner members have families. They have to take care about their own life. The speaker is also a young man. He has a family. We have to take care of his life. So he went there, and when he saw the kind of violence is there, we had to come back. There are issues. We are pointing the finger at the NYAMIRA County Security Team, number 1, for failing to provide security to the assembly. We have armed cops in that assembly. Those armed cops are protecting those goons. Number 2, the another issue, we are pointing at our elected leaders who are inciting and financing this violence, including the area member of parliament for West Mogrango constituency.